Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make a bar graph in Microsoft Excel. As we can see, we have this bar graph. We have some data. A very easy and simple way to create bar graph. Just you need your data. Or once you have data, like this one, sell persons. So select your data and click on insert. And in the chart section, you will see this bar graph options. 2D column or 3D column, 2D bar or 3D bar, and there are some more column chart. So select here bar, click on OK. You can change style and color and so many options here. Once you add here your data, select this data, again click on this any column or any style bar graph, so it will appear here. Similarly, you can add here and you can customize. So you make changes in your data. So select this all, same, insert and select here graph. Select. So now you have this all data in this graph. So this way guys you can make bar graph in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.